Big guy's first bike rides by himself. Months and months and many tries with zero, not even coming close. And then he's just in the right mood today, and we're riding a bike. Super guy.
Are you taking a video?
I'm taking a video. See if you can get pedaling all by yourself, but don't get distracted by old video dad. Yeah, you almost had it. Looks good to me. Just push hard and start pedaling fast. You gotta get one good push. You gotta kind of stand up and put a lot of weight on it. Get one good push, and then push, and then start pedaling fast with the other leg. Yeah, right there. Now stand on it real hard, and then start pedaling with the other one. Yeah, buddy. Whoa. You can go in the grass, it's okay. It's a mountain bike. It can go anywhere, bud. Up a mountain, down a river. Yeah, your arms are getting tired, huh? We've been going pretty hard at this. Super job, bud. I got a high five on camera. All right. You having fun?
Mm-hmm.
It's fun learning things, even if it's hard, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, super guy. Should we try one more takeoff all by yourself?
Yeah. And you have to take maybe
Yeah, once you get better, we can maybe get you a fancier bike. That one's pretty heavy. It might be adding to the trouble.
like my dance group.
Get you wings, a parachute. Oh, yeah. Dad's so into his dad moment. He's being a bad cameraman because I don't want to look at the camera. I want to look at my beautiful man-child. That is very impressive, bud. You've picked that up super fast. Literally 15 minutes ago, you couldn't go more than 5 feet. And it all comes together. Need to get his seat higher, but the high seat was freaking him out. That is some expert level bike riding, bud. We should go hit the half pipe now. All right. Beautiful day for learning to ride a bike. I gotta fill these quiet times, commentary. Yeah, hit the brake, power slide. Nice. All right, bud, you can ride a bike now. That's it. There's no more to it. You're now as good as anybody in the world at riding a bike. All right, buddy. Yeah, let's do a fist bump. Boom. All right, love you, bud.